Hey guys, thank you for joining me. I am back today with a craft with me video and we're gonna make together these cute embellishments I made using the InLoveArts nested die set, which is this one. So I used the three smaller sizes, and here are the embellishments that I made. I made a bunch of these because I want to use them in another project, and I will definitely have a follow-up video on this, and I will gift some as well to my pen pals. So I will like package some and add them in Happy Mail for my pen pals to use. And we're gonna make one together. So I used All Heart collection, and I cut some ephemeras from the 6x8 and from the 12x12 paper. And of course I used some stickers, puffy stickers, cardstock stickers, etc. from the collection to make these. I added some gold thread and some Nuvo drops. And that's it. Very easy, very cute. So let's start right on it. I'm gonna just put these aside and we're gonna start. So here are everything that I cut out. I of course cut all different sizes. For some I stacked all three sizes, and for some others I just stacked two sizes. So let's go. So I like how the pink and the teal look like that, or like this one. So we're gonna make another pink and teal one today. Here we go. So when I'm stacking all three of them, I try to use like only two patterns, not to make it too messy. So once I picked the three, once I picked, I need to, I will start with the small one. So like I said, this is ephemera that I fussy cut myself. So I'm looking for something pink or teal. I'm gonna check in my stickers and puffy stickers. So these are clear stickers. So you wanna either put them on some white cardstock and cut around them, or you wanna use them on some light tone paper to see exactly so that the clear sticker, so that you can see it. So I'm not gonna use clear stickers for this. I like this one, and I will add a puffy stickers, and I'm looking again for pink and teal. So maybe this little flower will look good under here. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm not going too crazy with the layering, so I'm gonna still put some dimensions. So I'm gonna use my thick foam tape, cut just a small piece and add it here. And another small piece here for the front of the shoe. Here we go. Here we go. So I don't like I don't use too much the ephemeras that come with the collection, because they are too big. So if you're making like big projects, it's fine, but if you are working with small embellishments, you will not find like enough small stickers or small ephemeras, so I cut them myself. Here we go. So it's very, very easy. once you have everything in front of you, once you have all the ephemera cut out, all your stickers and all your die cuts already prepped, it's very easy to assemble. And for my gold thread, when I'm doing 3 layers, I put my gold thread on the between the last couple. So here, for example, well, this I only have 2 layers, so it's easy. But when I have 3, for example, on this one, when I have 3, I put the gold thread here because I really want to, like, the layers to be visible. So that's what we're gonna do on this one as well. So first, before I put the thread, I will cut a couple of foam tape, and then I will cut my thread. Here we go. So I'm just gonna like turn it a few times around my fingers. And then once I scribble it, I'm gonna put it on the back here. I just want it to peek from one side. For some of them I put too much thread, so it's a little bit more messy, but I don't want to put too much. I just want a little bit to peek from one side. So once I have it, I turn it around, and then I will pop my foam. Here we go. And here we go. Now I'm just gonna add a couple of Nouveau drops. So here are the colors that I think match with the collection. I have this navy blue, which has a little like it's like a pearl finish. Let me show you. Here it is. So it's kind of like a little bit pearl. And then I also have this light, it's between blue and mint. So this is the color that I had in my stash that matches closely the teal one that we have in the collection. So I used, every time that I had the teal vibe, I used this. So I used it on this one, and I used it on this one as well. And for the peach ones, I used, for example, for this peachy pink, I used this one, which is the bubblegum blush. And for the bright pink, I used the carnation pink. So these are the colors that I think match the collection. So I'm gonna go with the light blue, like pink one, and I'm just gonna randomly add a couple of Nouveau drops, maybe one here and one on the shoe. I mean a couple on the shoe, and another one right here. And we're done. So you want to leave it, you want to leave your Nouveau drop, you want to add them till the very end, when you are finished with all of them, and you leave them someplace to dry. They say that usually 15 minutes is enough, but I prefer to leave them overnight. So when I'm done, I just put them somewhere and I don't go near them until the next day to really allow them to dry. And that's it. So here we go, all done. I hope you guys enjoyed it, this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.